National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay north of the line between East Point, New Jersey and Slaughter Beach, Delaware, including Woodland Beach, Cross Ledge Light, Fortesk Beach, Sea Breeze, Ship John Shoal Light and Stony Point until 6:45 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over Woodland Beach, moving northeast at 40 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near over Sea Breeze by 5:45 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds.
Whoa.
Waves, dangerous lightning, and